Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I just want to do a quick video showing the power of volume profile, volume gaps, and ledges when we're trading intraday. Now I have here in front of me SPY on the morning of July 15th, 2022 after a major gap up from some macroeconomic news. So now we want to go about determining our levels using volume profile, and the way we can do this is by making sure that we have periodic volume profile set to a period of 1 month. And what we want to do is we see our value area high, our POC, and then we also want to look at these ledges. You can see here as I hover over the volume profile, these ledges where we go from high volume nodes and drop down to low volume nodes, which creates a ledge and a volume gap. And these ledges typically act as the best levels. So if we look, we're opening around 381.72. So the idea is that we're going to plot our levels using these volume gaps around 381.72. And I'll go ahead and draw those lines on now, which you can see we're plotting at the value areas, the POC, and of course the volume ledges that we just mentioned. Now if we drop down to a lower time frame and we scroll back, we want to make sure that we do indeed see price historically reacting to these levels. So you can see this level that we drew does indeed act as a level on July 13th. We can see this one does as well. Ended up being sort of the highest, well, it was the high of day for that day. We scroll back further, we can see this level acting as support, this level up here acting as resistance. So we do have validation as well in the intraday time frame that these levels should work pretty well. So going into the day, let's see how this price action plays out. If we hit play here, we can see price moves up, rejects this level, comes down, holds this level, comes up, rejects this level once again, and then we start pushing up. And keep in mind, when we have resistance that gets broken through, we get a retest and then an access support, and then we start moving up to the final level for the day, at which price just gets stuck at and then ends up chopping around for the rest of the day. So if we kill this replay and we look how price reacted to these levels for the day, we can clearly see that we plotted these well in advance using the volume profile to help us determine where the gaps, the ledges were, the value areas high, the POC, and we just do it right around above and below where price is currently at, and then we compare it to previous levels on the intraday time frame to make sure that they will indeed likely be respected. And there you have it. You have your levels well before the price action even plays out for the day. Thanks for watching.